It's so boring at the beach.
It totally is.
What should we do?
I don't know.
Hey, you want to turn on, or do you want to, play with some beach balls or something?
Sure.
Okay. It's, so boring here. Oh. All right, come on. Woo.
Yeah.
Oh. Okay. Ooh. Ooh.
Let's go outside and do this.
I think this is way too boring.
Yeah.
There's nothing to do.
Let's
Let me
go
look.
swimming
Let me look through my bag.
and see what we have to do.
Oh, there's a ball that we can toss.
But that'd be kind of childish.
Yeah. Anything else in my bag?
Do you have sunscreen that we really go swimming?
I already put on our sunscreen. So I think let's go outside and go swimming.
Yeah.
Swim, 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 swim. Oh, that's so boring. Okay, I think I don't really know because I don't even like the beach.
Me either.
I think let's totally go home.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, I totally want to go back to the beach. This is so boring here.
Yeah, everything's boring here.
Yeah, come on, let's go back to the beach.
No, it's so boring here.
Let's just relax.
And then, it's boring.
I think it's feels so good. Oh boy. Thank you guys so much for watching that
was
video.
a funny beach video.
Yep. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm Morgan. See you guys later.
Bye.
Bye.